Back viewers, it's Mirror now and I'm Ashish Pareek. You're watching Nation tonight and let's start with our biggest story this hour. No relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi High Court has refused to grant him relief on his plea, challenging his arrest and subsequent ED remand. Now the High Court has given him time till April 2 to the Enforcement Directorate, in fact, to respond to Kejriwal's plea. The matter will be next taken up on April 3rd. Meanwhile, on the other hand, Arvind Kejriwal's ED remand will be ending tomorrow and he will be produced before a court where the probe agency will seek his extended custody.
So let me tell you what the High Court order exactly means. There is absolutely no relief for Arvind Kejriwal till the next date of hearing, which is April 3rd. Arvind Kejriwal had approached the Delhi High Court seeking urgent release. One of his prayer was urgent release. The other was challenging the arrest, stating it to be illegal, while the third prayer was to challenge the remand order passed by the trial court. The High Court clarified it today that if we consider your release prayers, ultimately we'll be considering your prayer number A and prayer number B, then we will be considering your whole writ petition, then it is no use for your interim application. Even if we direct today that you shall be released, it means we have decided the case on merits, so we cannot hear your interim application like this. And on the other hand, ED had strongly objected that we need time to file reply, be it an interim application, be it the writ petition, we need time to file a reply. The court acceded to that request. The court stated we cannot be unfair. When there are two parties, both the parties will be equally heard. It's audio alterum partem, rights of natural justice. Both the parties will be heard if any order has to be passed. So agreeing with the ED's ambition, the court granted Enforcement Directorate the time till April 2nd to file a reply, and on April 3rd now the matter will be considered. Now let me make you understand the operative part of the order. There is one more observation by the Delhi High Court today. Delhi High Court stated that in a writ petition filed under 226, we cannot grant a bail because ultimately your prayer seeks please release me from custody immediately. That exactly means that you are trying to seek an interim bail or a regular bail, and Article 226 cannot be a substitute for the legal provisions of bail. So your writ petitions will have to be heard in toto, which means not only your interim application but the whole writ petition will have to be heard. It will have to be decided on merits, and then only we can pass an order. Accordingly, the court adjourned this matter for April 3rd. Arvind Kejriwal had only three prayers before the Delhi High Court. A, please order an immediate release. B, that my arrest is illegal. My arrest by the Enforcement Directorate is illegal. C, the last prayer was that the remand order passed by the trial court is bad in law, is perverse and should be set aside. Now, all of this concluding means that Arvind Kejriwal will be produced tomorrow before the Delhi's House Avenue Court. The Enforcement Directorate, if it wants, can seek extension of custody tomorrow as well. Or if the ED wishes to remand Arvind Kejriwal to judicial custody, it can do so. So there is no legal impediment, there is no bar from the High Court today, and absolutely no relief for Arvind Kejriwal until the next hearing.
Well, viewers, from the looks of it, trouble seems to be mounting for Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. On the other hand, Sunita Kejriwal, his wife, has said that Kejriwal will now expose all the details of the alleged excise policy case. She's also stated that despite several raids on Aam Aadmi Party leaders so far, no conclusive evidence has been found, and this means that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are being targeted by the government.
अरविंद जी ने मुझे एक बात और कही, इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले की जांच में ईडी ने पिछले 2 साल में 250 से ज्यादा रेड मार लिए। वो इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले का पैसा ढूंढ रहे हैं। अभी तक किसी भी रेड में एक पैसा नहीं मिला। मनीष जी के यहां रेड मारी, संजय सिंह जी की यहां रेड मारी, सत्येंद्र जैन जी की यहां रेड मारी, एक भी पैसा नहीं मिला। हमारे यहां रेड मारी, मात्र 73,000 रुपए मिले। तो वो इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले का पैसा है कहां? अरविंद जी ने कहा है कि इसका खुलासा वे 28 मार्च को कोर्ट के सामने करेंगे। सारे देश को सच सच बताएंगे कि इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले का पैसा है कहां। उसका सबूत भी देंगे।
In fact, speaking at the Times Now summit, Delhi's Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena broke his silence on the arrest of Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal and said that the Delhi government will not be run from jail. Listen in.
सरकार क्या जेल से चलेगी और क्या हम सब हेल्पलेस ही रहेंगे?
मैं दिल्ली की जनता को एश्योर कर सकता हूं कि सरकार जेल से नहीं चलेगी।